Good evening. Today is January 6, 2024, Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swer 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, January 6, 2024. Here are the SL Swer 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Peona Trading Supply Corporation for January 6, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of January 6, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.